Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am come up with a paid internship program for especially for students, which is one of the best in the year 2020-25. And this is work from home, and the stipend starts from minimum 10,000 rupees, and you will also get a certificate and end of the program. The time period will be like 1 month or 6 months or 8 months, and you can choose which time period you want to work with. This is very good for students who are studying or you have just finished and waiting for a job. This will give you a lot of experience. For this internship you did not you did not have any prior knowledge because they are going to give a free training fully. This is a email marketing internship which is very good for students who want to earn a good job in the industry. This will prove as a very good experience for you, and you can be sitting in any part of India and you can work for this. This is a full and full work from home job, and this is very good for students where the starting stipend is 10,000 and it will increase also in the future. And the let's go to the job details. I have given a full article about the job. You can go through the job. And when you want to apply, please click this link. I have given the link in the description, and you can press that link to apply for this job. This is an email marketing internship. What you have to do is you have to send bulk emails, and the bulk emails you have to work for this company, SEO Inventive. This is a company you're going to work for them, and you're going to send you're going to send company emails to its customers. This is a very easy job, and you're going to do work from home job, and you're just going to send bulk emails to companies. And other job responsibilities, right? You are getting the data from the sources, various sources they will be giving you, and you have to just research in Google and give them the data. Unlike the email marketing campaigns, it will all these things may be new to you, but in this world, this is very important in the digital marketing world, and all the training will be given to you subsequently, which is also free of cost. And the basic requirements is you should be pursuing a degree, and you need not be a experienced person. You can all freshers are welcome for this job, and you should have a good laptop with the internet speed. And it is nice to have few basic knowledge about the computer system. And when you want to apply, you have to just press this quick apply. First you have to log in with your Google or with a LinkedIn. You will be getting a OTP in your email. Then once you have registered here, the details they will ask you, like which course have you undergone or are you pursuing right now, and your date of birth, your marks, everything will be asked to you. Then they will send a OTP to your email for confirmation, and immediately you will be selected for the job. There is not much uh, test and all, but a basic interview will be conducted, which is also online, which you can attend from home. So students, this is a very good opportunity. So surely apply for this job. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.